Hey everyone, welcome back to the Travel Partner YouTube channel. I'm Sarah, and today I'm taking you on a 10-day, 3-city adventure across Vietnam, all on a $400 budget. We'll uncover the best sights, flavors, and hidden gems with real tips to stretch every dollar. Grab your backpack and appetite. We're about to dive into bustling markets, stunning landscapes, and mouth-watering street food. Ready to see how far $400 can take us? Let's kick things off in the heart of Hanoi. Landing in Hanoi is like stepping into a vibrant painting. Color, chaos, and culture everywhere. I found a comfy hostel in the Old Quarter for just $6 a night, surrounded by fellow travelers and endless energy. The streets buzz with motorbikes, vendors, and laughter. Hanoi never sleeps. For less than $2, I grabbed a fragrant bowl of pho and a fresh banh mi. Night markets and tiny cafes offer late-night snacks and strong Vietnamese iced coffee. Settling in is easy. People are friendly, and a smile goes a long way. With my bags dropped and stomach full, I was ready to explore Hanoi without blowing my budget. Waking up in the Old Quarter feels like stepping back in time. Narrow alleys, colonial buildings, and lanterns everywhere. The streets are alive with the sounds of scooters, street vendors calling out, and the aroma of fresh PHO drifting through the air. Every corner tells a story, blending centuries-old traditions with the energy of modern city life. My day started at Hoan Kiem Lake, where locals practice Tai Chi at sunrise, absolutely free. The peaceful atmosphere, with the soft glow of morning light reflecting on the water, is the perfect way to ease into the city's rhythm. Watching the community come together here is a beautiful reminder of Hanoi's deep-rooted culture. Wandering the maze of streets, I found tiny temples tucked between shops, bustling markets overflowing with colors and sounds, and endless photo ops around every bend. Each street offers something new, whether it's a hidden shrine, a street artist, or a vendor selling fresh fruit. I joined a free walking tour led by university students, great for learning history and making friends. Just tip your guide. The guides share fascinating stories about Hanoi's past, from ancient dynasties to French colonial times, and point out details you'd easily miss on your own. Don't miss Hanoi's famous egg coffee, just $1.50 for a creamy, sweet treat at a tiny cafe. Sipping this unique drink, surrounded by locals chatting and laughing, is an experience in itself. It's the perfect pick-me-up after a morning of exploring. Before leaving, I browsed Dong Xuan Market for cheap souvenirs. The market is a treasure trove of local crafts, quirky gifts, and delicious snacks, perfect for picking up a piece of Hanoi to take home. Most activities here cost next to nothing, so I still had plenty of cash for the days ahead. Exploring Hanoi's Old Quarter is proof that you don't need to spend much to have an unforgettable adventure. Just curiosity, a sense of wonder, and a little time to soak it all in. On day 3, I decided to escape the constant buzz of Hanoi and set out for the breathtaking landscapes of Ninh Binh, often called Halong Bay, on land for its dramatic limestone peaks and lush valleys. The anticipation built as I left the city behind, eager to see what this rural paradise had to offer. For just $5, I hopped on a local bus that whisked me away in about 2 hours. The journey itself was an experience, rolling past endless green rice paddies, water buffalo grazing, and towering limestone cliffs that seemed to rise straight out of the earth. Watching the countryside unfold through the window, I felt worlds away from the city's chaos. Once, in Ninh Binh, I rented a sturdy bike for just $2. Pedaling along quiet country roads, I passed through tiny villages, waved at friendly locals, and soaked in scenery that looked straight out of a postcard. Emerald fields, dramatic cliffs, and peaceful waterways at every turn. The highlight of my day was a rowboat ride through Tam Coc's emerald waterways. For $8, I glided between towering cliffs and through caves, with a local guide expertly rowing with their feet, a unique tradition here. The tranquility and beauty of the river, surrounded by lush greenery and dramatic rock formations, felt absolutely magical. Next, I visited Beachdong Pagoda, a centuries-old temple built right into the mountainside. Entry was free, and climbing the stone steps rewarded me with jaw-dropping views over the valley below. The peaceful atmosphere and ancient architecture made it a perfect spot to pause and reflect. For lunch, I picked up a fresh banh mi sandwich and some juicy fruit from a bustling local market, just $1 in total. I found a quiet spot by the river to picnic, savoring the flavors and the peaceful sounds of nature all around me. Craving a bit of adventure, I tackled the steep climb up to the Mua Cave viewpoint. For $4, I ascended hundreds of steps to reach the summit, where I was rewarded with sweeping panoramic views of the entire valley. Truly a sight to remember. As the sun set, I made my way back to Hanoi, feeling amazed at how much I'd experienced in just one day, and all for under $20. Ninh Binh proved that you don't need a big budget to have an unforgettable adventure in Vietnam. Time to head south. There's something undeniably exciting about boarding a train in a new country, especially when you know you're about to cross hundreds of miles overnight. The anticipation in the air at Hanoi Station is contagious. Backpackers, families, and locals all waiting for their next adventure. I booked a soft sleeper on the overnight train to Da Nang for just $30, an incredible deal that covers both your transportation and a night's accommodation. It's the perfect option for budget travelers looking to maximize their experience without breaking the bank. The cabins are basic but surprisingly comfy, with 4 bunks, clean sheets, and just enough space for your backpack. It's cozy, and there's a certain charm to the gentle sway of the train as you settle in for the night. I packed snacks from the market, fresh fruit, banh mi, and a few sweet treats, because food always tastes better on a moving train. It's a great way to sample local flavors while you travel. As the train rumbled south, I swapped stories with fellow travelers from around the world. There's a unique camaraderie that forms in these cabins, where everyone is on their own journey but sharing the same adventure for a night. Outside, the Vietnamese countryside rolled by. Lush rice fields, distant mountains, and tiny villages flickering past the window. It's a moving postcard, and you get to watch the landscape change hour by hour. Watching Vietnam pass by under the stars was pure magic. The rhythmic clatter of the tracks and the soft glow of the moon made it feel like a dream. Trains here are safe, and the staff are always helpful. Just remember to keep your valuables close, especially at night. A little caution goes a long way to ensuring a smooth journey. I slept surprisingly well, lulled by the gentle rhythm of the rails and the occasional whistle in the distance. It's a unique kind of rest you can only get on a train. By morning, we arrived in Da Nang, greeted by the soft light of sunrise and the promise of new adventures. I felt refreshed, energized, and ready to explore everything this vibrant city has to offer. My wallet was still in great shape thanks to this budget-friendly journey. If you're looking for an affordable, memorable way to travel Vietnam, the overnight train is truly hard to beat. Hoi An is a quick $2 bus ride from Da Nang, and stepping into this lantern-lit town feels like entering a fairy tale. The old town is perfect for wandering, snapping photos, and soaking up history, all for free. I rented a bike for $1 and pedaled to nearby beaches and rice fields. Street food is a highlight. Chow Lao noodles for $1.50, crispy ban XEO, and sweet coconut desserts. I joined a lantern-making workshop for $4, a fun, hands-on souvenir. Evenings by the river with floating candles and music are pure magic. Hoi An proves you don't need much money to have an unforgettable experience. If you're enjoying this Vietnam adventure, don't forget to subscribe for more real tips and budget travel guides. Your support helps us keep exploring and sharing epic journeys. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Now, let's see what Da Nang has in store. Lines 3. Da Nang blends modern life with natural beauty, and you don't need a big budget to enjoy it. My Key Beach is free and perfect for sunrise strolls. For 50 cents, I took a bus to the Marble Mountains, $2 entry for breathtaking views. Han Market is great for cheap souvenirs and local snacks. Don't miss the Dragon Bridge's Fire and Water show, free every weekend night. I found a cozy guest house near the beach for $8 a night. Da Nang offers sun, culture, and adventure without breaking the bank. Next up, the long journey to Ho Chi Minh City. Another overnight train, this time a hard sleeper for just $25. The 17-hour ride is comfortable and social. Pack snacks, meet fellow travelers, and watch the countryside roll by. Booking in advance gets you the best price. Train travel in Vietnam is safe, friendly, and surprisingly relaxing. By sunrise, I rolled into the heart of Ho Chi Minh City, ready for new adventures. Saving on transport meant more to spend on food and fun. Quick shots, train, countryside, arrival in Saigon. Lines 7. Ho Chi Minh City is bold, busy, and bursting with flavor. I started at Ben Thon Market, perfect for cheap eats and souvenirs. Breakfast was Hue Thieu noodle soup for $1.20. Then I explored French colonial landmarks like Notre Dame Cathedral and the Central Post Office, both free. The War Remnants Museum, $2 entry, is a must for history buffs. Tao Dan Park is a peaceful, free spot to relax and people watch. Bui Vien Street comes alive at night with street performances and budget eats. With so many affordable sights and flavors, Saigon is a paradise for travelers on a shoestring. 10 days, 3 cities, and just under $400 spent, including all transport, food, and sightseeing. Accommodation averaged $7 to $8 a night. Street food rarely topped $2, and trains were the biggest single cost. To save even more, travel in the shoulder season, book transport in advance, and eat where locals eat. Hostels often offer free tours or bike rentals. Take advantage. Be flexible and open-minded. The best experiences are often unplanned. Vietnam rewards curiosity and adventure, no matter your budget. Drop your questions in the comments. I love helping fellow travelers plan their own epic journeys. Thanks for joining me on this unforgettable 10-day journey through Vietnam. I hope you found inspiration and practical tips for your own budget trip. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Travel Partner. Share your Vietnam memories or questions in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring. Big adventures don't need a big budget.